And the Indigo chaos continues in Chennai as well. This is the news that we're getting in, where Chennai has seen 29 Indigo flights cancelled for today. Chennai sees 29 domestic Indigo flights cancelled. Passengers face disruption in air travel. 29 domestic flights scheduled for departure cancelled so far at Chennai airport. Passengers are not being allowed inside past a security check today as well, citing these cancellations. Remember, this is another airport which has been added as we're seeing mass cancellations and delays when it comes to the Indigo flights. For more on that, we have Anaga joining us. Anaga, now we're seeing Chennai has been added to the queue as well, where we're seeing Indigo flights cancellations. So far, we're seeing 29 domestic flights. What's the impact like really in Chennai?
Well, in fact, the mass cancellations are spilling over to today as well. In fact, a lot of passengers who have been here since yesterday are stranded. In fact, there is a gentleman over there who has been waiting from midnight. He's now standing in that queue requesting them for another replacement flight. There seems to be no other option so far because Indigo is the only low-cost carrier. So, the passengers are left with no other option but to bank on Indigo. They can't even go for other airlines because now they are charging triple that amount for a flight that's originally about 5,000, 4,000. Now the other airlines are charging up to 40,000, 50,000. That's the kind of manifold astronomical value that the other airlines are charging. Now we have a lot of passengers who are stationed outside the Indigo ticketing counter requesting for one refund, requesting for another replacement flight, requesting them for another accommodation because they have nowhere else to go. Today what we are learning is that 29 domestic flights scheduled for departure from Chennai airport have been cancelled. 20 arrival flights have also been cancelled, citing the same operational reasons. We are reporting right now from the Terminal 1 of Chennai Airport, and what we are learning is that a lot of domestic flights, since they have been cancelled today as well, passengers are not even being allowed inside the airport. It's only after reaching the airport that the passengers are getting to know that their flights are cancelled, and therefore they are just sitting here not really knowing what to do. They're left in the lurch, and therefore they are forming a queue outside the Indigo ticketing counter demanding answers from Indigo officers. But even the Indigo officials over there, they are also answerless. They don't know what to do. They can't immediately give them a refund. So there's nothing but argument and fight that's breaking out here in the Indigo ticketing counter.
Right, so we're seeing passengers stranded, chaos unfolding at Chennai airport as well. Thank you so much for joining in, Anaga.